episode of Math Time. I'm Mr. Julius S. Hineta, or you can call me Boss G, and I will be your teacher for today's lesson. Good day, everyone! Our lesson for today is all about solving problems involving factoring. Let's start the discussion with a short review on factoring polynomials. So determine the missing factor. So we have here x squared minus 9 is equal to blank multiplied by the quantity x plus 3. Now what is the missing factor? Very good, it's x minus 3. How about y squared plus 5y plus 6? Given y plus 2 as one of the factor, what is the missing factor? Good job, it's y plus 3. How about 2m squared plus 7m minus 15? What is the missing factor? Very good, it's m plus 5. Okay, how about if I'll give you the factors? Give me the product. So 3x plus 4 multiplied by the quantity x minus 6. What is the product? Very good. 3x squared minus 14x minus 24. And how about this one? X cubed minus 8 is equal to x minus 2 multiplied by blank. So one factor is given. What is the missing factor? Good job! It's x squared plus 2x plus 4. Okay, since we're done with the short review on factoring polynomials, let us now enumerate what are the steps in solving word problems. Number 1, analyze the problem. Number 2, identify the given. Number 3, determine the operation to be used. And number 4, simplify the result if possible. So for today's problems, we will be solving or answering problems which involves factoring and which involves area of a square, area of a rectangle, area of a parallelogram, and speed. So let us have a short review about the formulas on how we are going to find areas of square, rectangle, parallelogram, and the speed. Area of a square. So area is equal to S times S, wherein S is the side of the square. Now what if the side is unknown? So we will be using the formula S is equal to the square root of A. Area of a rectangle. So area of a rectangle is equal to length times width, or L times W, wherein L is the length, W is the width. So what if the unknown is length or the unknown is width? So we will be using the formula length is equal to area divided by the width, or width is equal to area divided by the length. We have here the speed. So to find for the speed of a moving object, we use the formula speed is equal to d over t, wherein d is the distance, t is equal to time. Now if d is unknown or time is unknown, we will be using the formulas d is equal to speed multiplied by the time. So time here is equal to distance divided by the speed. We also have here area of parallelogram. So to find for the area of parallelogram, we use the formula A is equal to B times H, wherein B is equal to the base and H is equal to the height. Now what if base is unknown? What formula are we going to use? Same as true, if height is unknown, what formula are we going to use? So we are going to use B is equal to area divided by the height. And if height is unknown, we use the formula H is equal to area divided by the base. A bus traveled x plus 5 kilometers for x squared minus 25 hours. What is the speed of the bus? So in this problem, the given are distance, which is equal to x plus 5 kilometers, and then time, which is equal to x squared minus 25 hours. What it says in the problem is the speed, so we need to find the speed of the bus. So for us to find the speed of the bus, we're going to use the formula S is equal to distance divided by the time. So substitute the values. Distance is equal to x plus 5 kilometers. Time is equal to x squared minus 25 hours. So for us to simplify the numerator and the denominator, we need to find the factors of the denominator, which is x squared minus 25. And what are the factors of x squared minus 25? So we have here x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 5 hours. So we cancel x plus 5 and x plus 5. What is left here is 1. What is left here is 1. Therefore, the speed of the bus is equal to 1 times kilometer, that is 1 over 1 multiplied by x minus 5, x minus 5. Our unit, kilometer per hour. So as simple as that. We now have our speed of the bus, which is equal to 1 over x minus 5 kilometers per hour. Let's try example number 2. So a truck traveled at 2m squared minus 3m minus 35 kilometers per hour and traveled 2m plus 7 kilometers. How long did the truck travel? So the given here are the speed of the truck, which is equal to 2m squared minus 3m minus 35 kilometers per hour. The distance is equal to 2m plus 7 kilometers. So we are looking for the time. How long did the truck travel? So for us to find the time, we're going to use the formula time is equal to distance divided by the speed. So we substitute the values. Distance is equal to 2m plus 7 kilometers. The speed of the truck is equal to 2m squared minus 3m minus 35 kilometers per hour. So we can cancel kilometers and kilometers, so units. For us to simplify this, we need to find the factors of 2m squared minus 3m minus 35. So what are the factors? So we have now equal to, we copy 2m plus 7 over the factors of the denominator. We now have 2m plus 7 multiplied by m minus 5. Don't forget the unit, hour. So we cancel 2m plus 7 and 2m plus 7. What is left here is 1 and what's left here is 1. So time now is equal to 1 over 1 multiplied by m minus 5. It's m minus 5. Don't forget the units, hours. So our time now is equal to 1 over m minus 5 hours. So as simple as that. Let's have another one. Example number 3. The area of a rectangle is 20a square plus 27a minus 14, and the width is 4a plus 7 units. What is the length? So obviously, the given are area, which is equal to 20a square plus 27a minus 14. So the width of the rectangle is equal to 4a plus 7. Now we are looking for the length of the rectangle. And how are we going to find this one? So we use the formula length is equal to area divided by the width. So we substitute the values. Area is equal to 20a square plus 27a minus 14 over 4a plus 7. So to simplify, we need to factor the area, which is equal to 4a plus 7 multiplied by 5a minus 2 over, copy denominator, 4a plus 7. So we cancel 4a plus 7 and 4a plus 7. So this is equal to, so what is left here is 1 and 1. 1 times 5a minus 2 is 5a minus 2 over what is left there is 1. So our length now is equal to 5a minus 2 units. There. So as easy as that. See? Okay, let's have the last example. What is the width of a rectangle whose area is 24y square plus 46y plus 15 square units and length is 2y plus 3 unit? Okay, so the given area is equal to 24y square plus 46y plus 15. So the length is equal to 2y plus 3. Now we are looking for the width of the rectangle. To find for the width, we use the formula W is equal to area over length. So substitute the values. 24y square plus 46y plus 15 over the value of the length. We have 2y plus 3. So we need to factor the numerator for us to simplify it. So what are the factors of 24y square plus 46y plus 15? So we have here 2y plus 3 multiplied by 12y plus 5. So copy the denominator over 2y plus 3. So we cancel 2y plus 3 and 2y plus 3. What's left here is 1 and here is also equal to 1. So that is equal to 1 multiplied by 12y plus 5 is equal to 12y plus 5 over what's left the denominator is 1. So what is our width now? 12y plus 5 divided by 1. We have here 12y plus 5 units. There, we found the value of the width. Thank you for listening. Have fun learning. I hope you learned something from me today. See you on the next video. Goodbye!